Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Saiful Syami bin Zakaria. So today I will want to present my research. The title is Assessment of GNSS Leveling Precision based on distance and observation time in Perlis and Kedah. So the first one is the abstract. Accurate height determination is important in various applications, such as in geodetic, engineering, and surveying GNSS leveling. GNSS leveling is so effective of determine autometric height by combining job model with GNSS derived ellipsoidal height. It has replaced the traditional spirit leveling. However, observation time has a major impact on GNSS leveling precision. The longer the duration tend to improve the accuracy but increase the operational time and cost. And it is also to analyze the precision of GNSS leveling result that obtained from various observation periods. The field observation of GNSS leveling were conducted in Perlis and Kedah at different distance, which is from 5 km to until 25 km. And for various of observation time, which is start from 30 minutes until 3 hours. The data was processed and the consistency of ellipsoidal height was evaluated using the Triangle Business Center, which is TBC. Then to evaluate the height difference of each epoch, the result were compared to 6-hour reference data, which is the observation need to conduct for 6 hours. So the data from 6 hours we will compare with the various observation time that we have conduct. So next, the aims of this research is to provide recommendation based on observation period result to improve GNSS leveling technique that are appropriate for geophones need, such as the accurate, efficient, and readable technique to determine the height difference, optimize the observation period, and enhance the geodetic and surveying process to support their operation and standards. Okay, so for the objective is, the first one is to analyze the precision of GNSS leveling result obtained from various observation periods. The second one is to determine the optimal observation time required to achieve the precise GNSS leveling. Okay, next for the methodology. The observation with various distance was performed to complete this research, which is to analyze the relationship between the different distance and the optimal observation period. So the observation will be conducted for the morning session and afternoon session to analyze which is the suitable time to do the observation. Next, for the benchmark, the observation with the observation with 6 hours period was conducted as the reference data to compare with the various observation time. Next, the observation with various observation time that starting from 30 minutes until 3 hours was conducted to compare with the reference data to obtain the optimal time. Next, the data will be compared and to get the difference height of the observation. Next, after that, I will decide which is the optimal time to do the observation based on their distance. Next, we move to the result and discussion. So this is the result of objective 1, which is to analyze the precision of GNSS leveling result that obtained from various observation period. So as you can see here, the table is represent the period of the observation and their precision. So you can see there are 4 columns that represent horizontal precision, vertical precision, root mean square error, and height in meter. So okay, so you can see here the graph is represent the root mean square error, which is RMSE. So if you can see the pattern of the graph, the longer the observation, the error will decrease. So I can conclude that the longer observation, the more precise the data of the observation. Next is for objective 2, which is the data has been compared to the reference data to determine the optimal observation time that required to achieve the precise GNSS leveling. So the optimal observation time here for the distance below than 15 kilometers, the observation time must be 1.5 hours period for each epoch. Then for distance 15 kilometer until 20 kilometer, 2 hours period for each observation is required to get the data, the height difference that less than 2 centimeter. Then the last one is 20 kilometer until 25 kilometer. The observation time must be 2.5 hours period for each epoch. So I can conclude that the more longer observation time, the data will be precise and accurate. So for my research, this is the new optimal time estimation for GNSS leveling observation time. So in the conclusion, this study is successfully identified the optimal GNSS observation time needed to achieve high precision leveling based on various distance by comparing the different observation duration from 30 minutes until 3 hours with 6 hours reference data set. It was found that the most suitable observation time are 1.5 hours for the distance below than 15 kilometers, 2 hours for the distance 15 until 20 kilometers, and the last one is 2.5 hours for the distance that 20 to 25 kilometer. All of this duration produce ellipsoidal height difference within 2 centimeter, proving that the shorter session can still provide accurate result if you properly selected. Then this finding offer the practical benefit, especially for agency like JUPERM, by helping them to reduce the field survey time and operational cost without compromising the accuracy. This research also contribute new insight into the relationship between the distance and observation time in GNS leveling. It make it a valuable reference for the geodetic and surveying work in Malaysia. So that's all from me. Thank you.